Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Modern Warfare 3 Mw3 custom loadouts not working. Delete and recreate the loadouts. If the custom loadouts are corrupted, you can try the deleting and recreating your custom layer loadouts. How to do it? And go to the create a class menu in Mw3, select the class you want to delete, press Y to delete the class, create a custom loadouts from cache and save the new custom loadout, and if IC works properly, and clear the cache of the Modern Warfare. Clear the cache may help resolve the issue of custom loadouts not working. To clear the cache, follow the steps. For PC, exit the game and close the Steam client and delete the Apache folder in Steam installation and remove the ghost laws, and removing the ghost laws from the character's outfit may help to resolve the issue of custom loadouts not working. This suggestion is Xbox specific. Here how to do it: go to create a class menu in Mw3, select the character outfit that has the ghost glows equipped and restart your deset. Sometimes restarting your deset can fix Discord mobile stream zoomed in the issue. Try turning off your device and turning it back on again, and this can help to refresh your device and fix any software issues that may causing the problem. And remove the hijacked IFT strobe gear. One common case of custom loadouts working is gear called the hijacked IFF strobe. This gear can cause issues with loadouts not saving properly. To this, go to the create a class menu in Mw3, select the class setup that contains the hijacked IFT strobe and copy and replace loadouts. Another solution is copy to replace the loadouts. Here to do it, hover over an already created a class, select loadout options, choose copy and replace, copy it your one of the empty class 6 to 10 and save the changes. And if your custom loadouts work properly, check for updates. For sometimes issue with custom loadouts can be caused by outdated game files. To check updates, launch the game, check for updates for patches available, download and install any available updates or patches, and contact the customer support of Modern Warfare 3. And if you have tried all of other solutions are still experiencing the issues with your Mw3 custom loadouts not working, you can contact the Modern Warfare 3 support team for further assistance. And thanks for watching us.